Anya po ang aming pangalan na po. Sa aming pangalan na anak. Kanina nakita ko yung mga people. Dala-dala lahat na cellphone. Kaya ako dapat, wala ko. Makikius na lang. Mahirap people. Ito na lang sa cellphone. Happy 18th birthday. My dearest ako, Anina, I love you. This is a special milestone, a time to celebrate your journey and embrace the future. Remember to always be kind, brave, and be true to yourself. My love will always be with you. I love you. Lola na kasi ako.
Haba niya.
How many pages?
Hello. Hi. Okay, good evening. Just to be honest with you, this is my public speaking after 8 years. So thank you, Ate A. My last public speaking was last June of 2017. That was my valedictory address because of my retirement. So 8 years na po retire. So tonight we learned a lot about Ate A. Ate A, as we used to call her, or Anya to her friends. Personally, I have no much of fond memory about Ate A. So really, we are put into something that will be too hard for us, saying something about Anya as she has grown up. But the messages, the testimonial that we have heard a while ago from her friends really make us know Anya well. Why? When Anya was then a little child, though so cute, so sweet, beautiful, so pretty pa lang, but every time I approached her, she started crying. So we never had a good conversation. Probably she liked her Lola Mommy more than I am. Good? Parang tumahimik din naman. So, Ate, we're so happy. We're so proud of you. Because for us, we know that you are a good artist, a good writer, a journalist, a school journalist. And lately, we learned that she is also a product endorser. So, really a social media influencer. Congratulations for that. So, kanina rin, just like my wife has observed, lahat halos ang umakyat sa entablado na may dalang cellphone. Kasi during our time, except for one na hindi nagdala ng cellphone. Sa 18 kanina. You know, all of us are a little bit keen observant, you know, and we really appreciate that. But while seated at the back, and also at the VIP, I told them, kailangan makiuso tayo. Anong panahon niyo ba? Anong gen ba kayo ngayon? Gen Z. Kaya, hindi ba, parang hindi ako nakakakita rito ng mga kapanahon na namin, ano? So, nevertheless, na natin. So, at happy 18th birthday. At we used to hold a special place in our heart. You are so sweet, and you are so precious, our Apo. We love you. What really wondered me is the fact that I learned that Ate A is a little bit talkative. No? But when we're together, no sounds. No sounds. But I wonder why. We're look alike. She's beautiful, so sweet, like the Lola Mommy, and her Lolo Daddy is Georgios and handsome. Okay, pumarappak. Okay. May kakampi tayo. Joke lang. But I'm really thankful, not only for tonight, and also our travels abroad, that we became so intimate that we started connecting and communicating. No? So, buti na lang naisip ng kanilang mga magulang that we started traveling. Doon ko, kasi wala siyang magawa because we're together. Parang na-hostage ko siya. And then she started, but I have to start the communication. If not, no sounds. Okay. But it really made me happy, Ate A. You bring so much joy in my life, in our life, and we are so grateful about it. Thank you, Ate A. And now look at the beautiful you. Wow. You continue to amaze us. You are not only beautiful, but also smart, compassionate, and sometimes funny. Alam mo, ang mahal po ng ngiti ni Ate A. Napakamahal. Kaya, whenever I saw her smile, deep inside, I'm so really happy. So, another smile, Ate A. Yeah. Now, your life is filled with so much promises. You are a perfect Anthony, John, and Marjorie Abigail, their dream child. Where is Anthony and the mother? But one thing, though you follow more on your parents, but I believe you have outrun them, as you now have your own identity and goal. As I mentioned a while ago, you know, I remember Ate A as a good singer.
Yeah. Sapol! 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 Sapol!
And then, a stage artist, but we're happy, we're proud, no? Ate A will now be going to Ateneo de Manila. Good luck. Actually, she passed 4 qualifying examination. For college and we were told that she passed the entrance examination at University of Santo Tomas, LaSalle, UP, and Ateneo. But she prepared to be in Ateneo. We know that you have chosen the right. As we adore you, we can't wait what you are going to accomplish as you continue your own special journey through life. We are all proud of you, your parents, your grandparents, sila pare, sila mare, your titos and titas, your cousins, relatives, and I believe, confidently believe, all of us here in this here admire you for being so lovely, compassionate, and intelligent. You seem to be everything for us. So continue with your dreams, believe in it, and make things happen. May kalapit na po. So, eto na po. My parting words. Ate A, 18 is just a number. 18 is just a number. The brilliance is within you. Talakpak naman kayo dyan. So, let it shine. Walk it with confidence and grace. All of you say, you are uniquely yours. Happy, happy birthday. We love you.